What's up, traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? And as you can see, the triangle pattern has been broken. And first, I want to give you the zones that you need to pay attention to. So zone number 1 here on Owanda, a trend continuation bullish area, which is right here, 2.303 that goes up to 2.461. Here on capital.com, 2.470 that goes up to 2.575. And finally, here on NEMEX, we have 2.579 that goes up to 2.679. So have these zones ready on your charts. Now, as mentioned in my last video, that we are looking at a triangle pattern that has been broken, and it was broken due to gap down opening. Now, what to expect from here, as now we are below 50 EMA and below this pattern. So all I'm looking at this little range. Now, at this point, what I want to see, some more momentum below 50 EMA. If you remember in my last video, I've said that once we have broken below the triangle pattern, I want to see a good momentum below 50 EMA. Once we have that, only then I will start to look for my pullback entry, bearish only till we are in the zone I've just mentioned. Now, once we have a good momentum below 50 EMA, I will also use the zone above for my possible retest and a possible push lower. Simple and easy, just waiting for the price to give me a momentum, then a pullback, then a bearish engulfer, and keep on taking shots. Now I'm only looking at bearish engulfers at this point below 50 EMA, and I will not look for my buying entry as now we have broken below. So we have a chance the price will give us some pullback, might fill the gap, and then possibly push lower. So that is why I'm just staying away from nat gas at this point, not looking for any entries. Now I'm going to give you one more situation. Now it is also possible, yet because we are still not completely broken below in a momentum, it is still possible that price can push up from here again. So that is why I'm still waiting for a good momentum and a good break below 50 EMA, and now this trend line as well. Once we have that, in that case we have confirmation the price wants to continue to push lower short term till we are in the zone from where we're going to likely push higher. So that can be a good and deep pullback before the price will push up. That is why conditions are very important, and look for the condition I've just mentioned. Once we have that, we are good to go for our trades. Have this trend line marked so that you have a good visualization that price, once we are broken below this trend line, that is a signal that we are now below in a good momentum to take our next sell trades. Exactly the same here on this platform. Now at this point, a possible chance of a gap fill, then a bearish engulfer. If that happens, we are good to go short, but good entry will be a complete break and close below, then a pullback, then a push down to this zone from where I want to look for my entry conditions. So not looking for buy trades until we are not completely broken above the 50 and 20 EMA. We are still not completely bearish because we have no momentum below 50 EMA, and we are still above this trend line right here. There's still chance the price will push up from here and price break and close above 50 and 20 EMA. That is why I'm very cautious to look for the complete momentum below 50 EMA for my sell trades, or if it pushes up strongly above 50 and 20 EMA, we can see a trend continuation towards the upside, and the level above I've already mentioned in my last video. Same here on NEMEX. As you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 touches. That is why I'm using the trend line. It is not an order block area or liquidity area, but it is something where traders pay attention when we have more than 2 touches right here. That is why I'm still looking at this level for the possible bounce if we have that, and if the bounce is strong enough above 50 EMA, I'm going to start to look for my buying condition. For now, wait and see. If completely broken below, in that case we're going to start to look at the pullback, bearish entry till we are in this green zone, from where we're going to start to look for the buying conditions. So wait and see, wait with patience. Once we have conditions, only then we're going to enter our trades. Here on gold, what do we have? We are still not broken above the previous highs right here. That is why I'm still staying back. I'm still waiting for the price for a condition. Once we have a condition, only then we're going to go long only, because at this point we are still above the support and we are still in between 50 and 20 EMA. So price is still deciding where it wants to go. And the signal will be once we are completely broken above this high, we're going to start to look at the pullback entry bullish. We still have a chance the price will give us a good pullback and forms a double bottom area. That is why these are the 2 areas where I'm looking at for my possible trades. Double bottom once we are inside this zone, or pullback entry above this high once we are broken above this high, and keep on taking longs. Exactly same on silver. Silver is still inside this level, a level of support, a major area from where we are looking at conditions. Once we are completely broken below, only then we're going to start to look for the bearish trades. Otherwise, if price forms a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA, I'm going to go short term only, and also form your double bottoms area or rejection box, something like this. And exactly same as gold, if price forms a double bottom in that case we are good to go long. If broken below, we're going to start to look at the bearish continuation trade. So that's what I'll be looking at here on gold and silver. Lastly, we have crude oil. Now we are still ranging in this area. Once we are broken above, we have a very likely chance the price will hit this termination area, which we are waiting for the possible head and shoulder pattern. Once the price hit this area, if pulls back, we have a valid head and shoulder pattern. If broken above this high, we're going to start to look for the continuation buy trades. So wait and see. Once broken above, we have a good chance it will hit the zone, from where we're going to start to look for the pullback entry, bullish, short term and long term for the head and shoulder pattern. Wait and see how it goes. At this point, not looking at sell trade, as we already got this pullback and we are also getting a break above this zone. Once we are completely broken above, we have a likely chance the price will hit the termination box right here, from where we're going to look for the conditions I've just mentioned. Bullish engulfers with the pullback or broken above, a strong continuation signal. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you're getting value. If yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.